He's the founder of Amazon, the man behind Blue Origin, and one of the richest humans alive. But when Jeff Bezos flies, he doesn't use first class or even a normal private jet. He uses a $500 million flying palace. Today, we're diving inside this insane aircraft and revealing details you've never heard before, from the price of its fuel to the name of the man who sold it to him. And while we're at it, let's also explore how Bezos affords this kind of sky-high luxury. Jeff Bezos' private jet is a Gulfstream G700, the latest flagship from Gulfstream Aerospace. It's one of the most advanced business aircraft on Earth. With a range of 7,500 nautical miles, it can fly non-stop from Los Angeles to Dubai. This isn't just transportation. It's a mobile 5-star hotel at 51,000 feet. The G700 base model starts at around $75 million, but Bezos' version, it's been customized, armored, and packed with tech, bringing the total price to around $500 million. Step inside the jet and you'll find a master suite with a real king-size bed, a spa-style bathroom with a rainfall shower, a private dining room that seats 8, a sky lounge with panoramic aisling windows, and everything, every switch, shade, and seat is controllable via an alley-based touch system. The entire cabin mimics natural daylight cycles to reduce jet lag, and the air is fully refreshed every 2 minutes. This isn't just a luxury jet, it's a flying fortress. Bezos' G700 is rumored to have military-grade radar scrambling, encrypted comms, and even a missile defense system installed. Why? Because when you're worth nearly $200 billion, protection is everything. Bezos reportedly bought the aircraft in early 2021, shortly after stepping down as CEO of Amazon. It was custom-built by Gulfstream Aerospace, but the deal was handled through a private aviation consultant named Robert H. Duncan, a well-known broker for ultra-wealthy clients. Delivery was made discreetly through a hangar in Washington state. Where do you park a $500 million jet? Bezos stores his G700 in a custom-built private hangar at King County International Airport, just outside Seattle. The hangar alone reportedly cost over $5 million, with full climate control and armed security. Let's talk about annual costs. Maintenance, $3 to $4 million per year, including engine checks, tech updates, and part replacements. Fuel budget. Flying at long range, the G700 consumes about 1,200 gallons of jet fuel per hour. That's nearly $6,000 per hour in fuel alone, with yearly fuel costs often hitting $1.5 to $2 million, depending on flight frequency. Crew salary, insurance, and storage at another $2 million plus annually. And the jet is just the start. Jeff Bezos owns a $165 million mansion in Beverly Hills, a $80 million penthouse in New York, multiple estates in Washington, D.C., a ranch in Texas used for Blue Origin rocket launches. Combined, his real estate portfolio is worth over $500 million. And let's not forget his $500 million super yacht, which travels with its own support yacht for a helicopter. Bezos makes money even when he sleeps. He still owns about 10% of Amazon stock, which means a single market rally can make him billions overnight. In 2020, he earned over $13 million per hour at the peak. Besides Amazon, he's investing in Blue Origin, space travel, the Washington Post, tech startups, all firms, and clean energy companies. His estimated net worth today, over $195 billion, making him the third richest person on Earth. The Gulfstream G700 is more than just a jet. For Bezos, it's a command center, a refuge, and a status symbol all in one. It represents the peak of luxury, security, and efficiency. Because when every second of your time is worth thousands of dollars, the sky becomes your boardroom. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this deep dive, hit the like button, subscribe for more billionaire lifestyle content, and tell us, would you fly in a $500 million jet? Or just buy a whole island instead?